Welcome, today in front of me Sony Xperia Z5 Premium, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then scroll down to the sound section. Here as you can see we got the quality of our audio settings. You can just change some effects by here tab of each of switcher ones. Also we got here the accessorize setting, so we can change here the microphone sensitivity, and also we can enable or disable the automatic optimization. Okay, so here we got the volume panels. We can change here the media, alarm and ringtone volume. Also we got here the vibration settings for calls. We can also enable or disable it by just tap once on the switcher. Also we can enable or disable the don't disturb mode. And here we can change the alarm, notification and ringtone sounds by just click there and select one from these sounds. And also we got here other sound settings. Here we can enable or disable the dial pad tones, the screen locking sounds, the touch sounds and vibration when you just tap your screen. And also you can turn it off by tap here again on the switchers. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.